Hey everyone, welcome back to our NethaxStark YouTube channel. I'm Stark, and today in this video we are continuing our series. We're gonna do our third machine, which is dancing, and it's a Windows machine. Its category is very easy, and it's a part of starting point. So we are on tier 0. So let's go. Let's start the machine. And first of all, you have to watch this video fully, so you have properly sit down and watch the video, take notes, because I will also provide you many beginner level learnings which you should know, okay, as a beginner. So first of all, go to your NethaxStark, go to your Twitter and follow me. This is my ID, NethaxStark, and I will also provide you in the description below. Share this video with your friends. So let's go. I don't know why it's taking so much time, but it's okay. Actually, I have downloaded the VPN. You should also download that VPN from your starting point. Then connect by using the command open VPN, and there you should be connected, okay? So first of all, let us discuss what are the things this will offer us. So these are the famous tag. Network is basically, what is network? Network is a connection between two hosts. So it is also called a network. Protocol are the set of rules how things will work. So it is called protocol. What is SMB? So SMB is basically what that that most of the vulnerabilities which we found in the Windows machine is in the SMB, and SMB is called service message block. Service message block, and it is used to transfer the files between client to the server. Okay, so client and server both take them as a host or two computers which are communicating by using this protocol, and they share the files. Okay, so I think the port number is of SMP is I think 445. Yeah, so there are two port numbers, 139 which is 139 and 445. So these are the two port numbers on which the SMB machine works, SMB protocol works, I mean. So what does the three-letter acronym stand for? SMB stand for, so I server message block. So this is the full name. Port number are two port number 139 and 445. Let's see what port number it's asking. So specific the port number which is 445. Okay, what is the service name for port 45 that come in our nmap scan? So what is nmap? Nmap is network mapper. It used to tell basically what are the ports that are running, and there's those services of those ports also. So we're gonna run by SC basically script scan, which I do usually. We're gonna use F for faster, then paste the IP. So it will scan the port and the services that are running on this host IP. So today I'm gonna tell you about one specific tool which is really great, which I use a lot. Its name is enum for Linux, and it will basically tell us what are the SMB block, what are the many things which are running. So let us run. So this tool name is enum for Linux, enumeration for Linux meaning, okay? Yeah. So these are the ports. We found 3 port open, which is 135, 139, 445. So both are used for SMB. Okay, so what was the question again? The question was what is the service name on port 445? The service name is Microsoft DS. Microsoft DS. It should be correct. Yes. What is the flaggers which we use with the SMB tool to list the content? Would be -L, capital L, I mean. How many shares there are on the dance? Yeah, so there are 4. So we're gonna check in a minute how what is the name of the share we are able to access in the end with a blank password. And through this finally we are able to view. So these are the shares, 4 share, 1 2 3 4. The answer was correct. Okay, so we only have this access IPC, we don't have this access, but it's okay. So sometimes, so this is the reality. I think if you should have watched what I was doing, so this is what you will be doing. Okay, because we both are doing tier 0, and actually it happens a lot in cybersecurity, but you should stick to the path and you should do the work. So what are the service we did this? So I know the work shares is the answer. Okay, work shares. Okay, what's the command we can use within the SMB get download the files we find? We can, what is the command we can use within the SMB shell to download the files we find? So we can use, I think, get command. So why I write get command there? I write get command there because we can also use that get command in that telnet, and we also have to connect these dot. Okay, so connect dot by dot, and through this you will get to know how things are happening. So this is the flag. Try now. The location, the IP, SMB dash connect. What we're gonna use is we're gonna use anonymous, the username and the password. We don't know the domain. NONYMOUS. Okay, so for domain we work SHARES. Let's check if it's correct or not. Okay, so it's correct. We are here. This is the work share, and that's why I like graphical user sometime. Graphical user interface sometime, because it is handy to use. Okay, and there's not any book, okay, which tell us a hacker should only use that command line. So in command line we know, so from here this is our flag.txt. In the James, sorry, I went on wrong directory. In the James P we have that flag.txt. Okay, so let's go. This is the gems.p, and we should find here a file which is flag.txt. I'm opening it. Open with gedit. Okay, let's check if it will open or not. Okay, so it's open. Here is our IP address, guys, and how we get through this. We connected through the share and we founded the flag. What network error? Why? Why it's network error? It should be correct. Yep, machine is correct. We sold another machine, so it was our third machine. Now just take a screenshot. They are dancing. Take a screenshot. Save. What happened? Never mind, I will save it. Okay. So what happened? Actually, we completed our 3 machines, and this is our 4th redeemer. We're gonna complete this one also. It is a Linux machine. And after that our tier 0 will be completed of free machines. So if you have VIP, you can also complete these also. Okay, now what you have to do is go to the Instagram. If you have completed, check it, give me that picture by tagging me at this NethaxStark. Okay, this is my username. I'll provide it into description. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.